Hi everyone, this is the first video in a series of videos I'll be posting from here on Blackboard for this course. I'll try to make the videos short and to the point so it's easier for you to navigate and basically watch them. So the first video will be about how to install Matlab on your personal machines. I know a lot of you will be in remote locations, you might be trying to work on your laptop, so it's important to try to find a way to access Matlab from wherever you are. In order to do so, you're going to navigate to this website, which is the university website for Matlab. The address is coecc.ncat.edu/mathworks.html. I'll put this link in the video comments so that you can easily access it. Once you get to this page, navigate to the bottom. This section, how to create my free student MathWorks account. And you're going to follow this process. So you're going to create a MathWorks account, right click on this link, open it in a new tab. It will take you to the account creation page. Once you land on this page, put in your email, your university email. I think for most people it's firstname.lastname@aggies.ncat.edu. Just double check it and put your university email. Your location will be the United States. Which best describes you? Student. Are you 13 years of older? Yes. And then you're gonna create the account. Once you create the account, you're gonna get an email confirmation asking you to confirm your registration. You're gonna click on this link and it should take you to your dashboard where you can download the software. Okay. Once you download the software, run it. So once you download it, you're gonna see this installation. Run it, unzip it, let the installation software start, and you should be able then to see this window for your MathWorks installer. So in order to navigate this, you're gonna keep your first option, log in with a MathWorks account, and then click on next. Do you accept the license agreement? Yes, and then next. And then it will ask you to log into your MathWorks account, put in your university email and the password for the account which you just created. Click on next, and then it will take you to this window where you can either select a license or enter an activation key. If you see a license server here, you can use it. If you don't see a license server, you need to use the second option, which is enter an activation key here, and the activation key is the one you find on this page at the bottom. So the last point here, use the activation key 11470, etc. So you're going to take this number, you're going to copy it, you're going to put it in your in the installation window prompt. Okay, once you're at this point, click on next. It will ask you where to install your Matlab. Choose a location. You need to have some space to do so. Then click on next, and then it should take you to the window to select which Matlab modules to install. Be careful at this point, you don't want to install all the Matlab modules because it's a heavy software. So you only need to install Matlab 9.7. So just check Matlab 9.7 and deselect everything else. So usually you have Simulink, you have some statistical modules as well, typically selected. Just unselect them and only have Matlab selected, then click on next. Add a shortcut to your desktop so that it's easier to find it for you. Then next, and then you'll have your final confirmation. Install it on your computer, try to boot it up and run it, see if you have any issues. If you're having any problems at any part of this process, please email me immediately and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you very much.